Welcome to Extensive Ideas Academy. Our today's lesson is Offpage optimization. Offpage optimization is an important search engine optimization related work that we need to do. Proceeding with our on-page optimization lesson that we have done previously, here we will study the things that we can do beyond our own website. The things that we do to connect our website to other websites and the way we optimize our URL in strong and competitive keywords. Where only content marketing or on-page optimization is not helping you, off-page optimization becomes important in those areas. Like competition in generic keywords or very highly competitive local keywords require very good quality and regular off-page optimization works. Off-page optimization not only helps you in getting rank in search engine, it also helps you in increasing your domain's authority, in increasing your page's authority, and in overall increasing your page rank. The values that you get is by backlinks that you earn from off-page activities. Here the off-page activities that we will discuss, few will have short-term benefit and few will have long-term benefit. Both I will classify and explain how and which you need to focus on what scale, how far your own content writing capabilities can earn you great backlinks, and how one single backlink can be more valuable than even 1000 backlinks. That also we will understand. So let's start with the lesson with first understanding of off-page. Off-page, as I said, is activity beyond your website. Now backlink. Backlink, here you can see this website is pointing to now this website. So how it is pointing? It is mentioning another website's URL in its own page. By that way, it is sending a backlink or a referral connection from its own website to that other page. Off-page activities specifically focus on this activity. For social media, social bookmarking, the social media shares, all these type of link connections that we earn from regular activities will only last for very few days. The moment these pages are removed by social media sites or they goes away from the listed pages, they will not provide you a beneficial backlink anymore. So to earn a regular beneficial backlink from these websites, you need to keep working on a daily basis. But for websites like high quality content posting sites, high quality guest blog accepting sites, they will provide you a long lasting backlink that is beneficial and will always point your website and increase your authority value. Let's start with the reason we are learning the off-page optimization. It is branding. Always understand a great product can only increase your acceptability or increase your ranking value. If you don't have a great product, you should not expect a great acceptance and a great optimization as well. Best service. You might be having a good product, but many bad comments on your product can damage your product's online visibility or optimization. They all relate to off-page connections. So be careful in providing quality service. Intent-based action. Understand the intent that buyers have and build content, questions, answers, product and services along with video and images on the intent based action. Build your content, images, videos and question and answers on the basis of the intent that your buyers have towards your product or towards the segment of the product that you are delivering or providing. Forum and web provide you a great way to generate interaction on your product, service or brand. So involve in high quality forums related to your product or service and provide buyers a reason to visit your website. Now the audience in a large scale comes from search engine or social media, but forums and discussion based platforms also provide you a lot of referral traffic, and these audiences serve as click based audiences. These audiences not only comes from those websites, they also come on the backlink that you are getting from those websites. So understand the value of a forum. They provide you the backlink. Along with that, they also send traffic towards your website. Now, building upon comment. The comments that you may allow on your own blogs from other writers or other comment posters. Likewise, you can also comment on others' blogs or other contents. Never try to spam, always try to be a genuine comment writer and place your URL with utmost respect and keeping a focus that you are driving a specific type of audience through that URL on other website or other blog. Don't place comments on those pages where thousands of comments are already posted. Higher amount of outbound links from one page already reduces the page rank value, so there is no benefit of getting a backlink from those pages where already thousands of backlinks are posted. So you should get backlink from those pages where lower amount of outbound backlinks are going. Focus on all those pages which are already highly ranked, which are already having very high page rank value, high page authority value. The domain authority generally don't affect the page authority value. These are all earned individually. So do check the page authority before getting a comment based backlink from a page. Try to connect with influencers. Influencers can bring huge difference in your business. They not only tell other people to buy your product, they influence others believe on your brand and service. Also, try to be an influencer inside your own company or brand or institution. Try to influence others' thought by generating enough amount of quality content on your own head. Start posting guest blogs. Guest blogs provide you best opportunity to earn backlink and increase your own domain authority, page authority and page rank. But get guest blogs from only quality websites which are only having very low spam score and very high domain authority and page rank valuation. Of course, your own fresh blog post will not have a high page authority value in their website, but if you post very high quality content in others' website as well, they will gradually develop high quality of page authority value and automatically increase your domain authority value through the backlink that you are getting from those pages. So always write guest post with a quality traffic and quality backlink in mind. Content, how you can write content? Ask yourself, ask your buyer, ask the people who can review your product, ask the people who connect with your product. See the feedback or collect the feedback. Follow your competitor. There is nothing or no better way to understand the market, then following your best competitor. Talk on latest and current trends. Write content that really provide solution. Create shareable content. We are talking here about creating content on the basis of need and the intent. I will not discuss here the on-page factors like header tag or keywords that are used to create the content. That we have already discussed in the on-page optimization lesson. You can follow that. We'll try to understand 10 important points that are used in off-page optimization after this. These are the 10 optimizing factors or the work that we do for optimizing our website using the off-page optimization. And they are creating a shareable content, so your content can be shared in social media and other high value websites, so you can earn high quality backlinks. Connect with influencers, talk with them and stay connected with them so they can help you earn high quality backlinks and referral traffic. Start working on guest blog, and guest blogging websites need you to write high quality and really valuable content that you can post in those websites. Read the detailed guest blog submission guideline of different websites and work accordingly to provide them content which once they accept, you get very good backlink. Regularly submit your website in different social media websites. These are few websites you can regularly work with. Use Hootsuite or Buffer or any other social media syndication application or website to share your content easily in many pages or many accounts. Bookmarking. Bookmark your website in high quality websites and keep getting good backlink that helps in your optimization. Always remember, bookmarking should be done for individual pages. It's not just the home page that you bookmark. Forum posting. Interact in different and related forums. Never spam in those forums. Be a trusted replier and content provider or answer provider in those forums, so people can trust on your voice and come back to you when the requirement is there. With these activities, you can also earn the backlinks from those forums. As forums are always highly interacted or visited, they provide you good backlink. Article directories. Easy article, soup article, these type of sites are very helpful for spreading your content, getting easy optimization and getting good backlink. Do use them. Question and answer sites. Quora, Yahoo Answer, these type of question and answer websites help user get their questions answered and provide many people an opportunity to answer questions that they know. They are also a great platform to get backlinks if you write a relevant content that really connects with your subject, domain or the content that you have posted in your website. You can connect these contents and get high quality backlink. Images provides us very good marketing and backlink earning opportunity. Through small or medium size images, social media images, images in blogs and many other sites, you can easily get backlink to your own website or blog pages. With that, infographics, which are information based graphical representation of content, data or information in a single image, provide user very good opportunity to understand the subject in a single image. So if you are submitting those type of images in visually Pinterest or any other such website, get high quality backlink from those websites as well. Always remember, backlinks that you get from all these websites comes in do follow or no follow structure. What is do follow and what is no follow? Do follow backlinks provide you 90% link juice from those URLs, and no follow provides you 10% link juice. So always try to get do follow backlink towards your website, as they really help you optimize your site and get high quality backlink and traffic. Web 2.0, although the era of Web 2.0 is almost gone, but as Web 2.0 websites still run on very high quality websites like Blogger, WordPress.com, they provide you a great opportunity to earn backlink from those high quality domains. Create your sub website in those websites and post regularly in them as well. They can provide you very high quality backlink and increase your authority value. Thank you for attending today's class. Do get back to us for any off-page optimization inquiries. If you want to get trained from us on off-page optimization, call us in the given number